Welcome back to Review Tutorial. Today, we'll walk you through integrating Shopify with WordPress without using any plugins. To get started, ensure you have active Shopify and WordPress accounts. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Install Shopify by Button channel. First, from your Shopify dashboard, go to App, then select App and Sales Channel Settings. Next, click on Shopify App Store in the right corner of the screen. Then type By Button app and press Enter to search. This app lets you generate embeddable code for any product or collection, perfect for adding to WordPress. Then hit the By Button channel app. After that, click on the Install button to add it to your Shopify store. Step 2. Select product or collection. Next, click Create a By Button. Then you can select the product or collection by button you want to embed on your WordPress site. For example, we create a collection by button with Summer Collection. Then, you can choose your display options, such as button size, color, and layout. Once you're satisfied with the customization, click the Next button. Step 3. Copy the embed code. After that, select Copy Code to embed your Shopify product on your WordPress page. Step 4. Add Shopify by Button code to WordPress. Now, let's add this code to your WordPress site. Go to your WordPress dashboard and decide where you want to place the Shopify product. It could be a page, a blog post, or even a widget area. For example, you choose to add New Page. After that, in the WordPress block editor, you can add a custom HTML block. Then, paste the Shopify embed code into the HTML area. This will automatically pull the Shopify product into your WordPress page. Step 5. Preview and test the integration. Once you've added the code, preview the page to make sure everything looks good. Test the Buy button to ensure it correctly directs customers to the Shopify checkout, and that's it. You've successfully integrated Shopify with WordPress without any plugins. Now you can showcase Shopify products on your WordPress site, giving your audience a seamless shopping experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.